Hello, I've got an interesting project I thought I'd bring y'all in on. What you see behind me here is a chair, and we're not reupholstering this chair, but we are going to take it has upholstered legs down here, and Doggie got a hold of them. You can see here it's all torn up. So what we're doing is taking loose this bottom area, and we're going to pull this leg up, and we're going to salvage this leg, and we're going to sand it down. We're going to put some filler in it. We're going to make sure it's smooth, and then we're going to stain it and then apply this fabric back so that you don't see any torn up parts. So I'm going to show you that you can take an upholstered leg and use it as a regular leg. Let's get busy. As you can see, this leg wasn't made for staining. It's, you know, your parts are not completely lining up here that they used to make two boards to make this one leg. You know, it's a little rough in here. You can see staple holes coming around it in different spots. This is where they actually joined it. And what we're gonna do is just put filler over all these holes. And I'm going to kind of knock the edges off of this, and I'm going to make these where they're more, are in line with each other. Smooth all that out. Same thing kind of going on over here. It's got some glue on here that's got to get knocked off. You can see it's got that ridge. So I'll show you how I'm going to do that. Cheap power tools. While I'm in here, I'm going to repair a split in this rear post.